Greetings to all women on Happy Women's Day 2025. It should be every day of the year that we celebrate Women's Day, who empower us, and their empowerment is the need of the hour. Wishing all women pink of health, wishing them a lot of sunshine, and wishing that their health continues to get better and better with every passing time. It is important for us to wake up to two important phenomena. First is, in our subject in urology, it's important to safeguard women's health by preventing recurrent urinary tract infection, a very important issue which is missed out. Many a times we miss out this important issue that women develop more commonly urinary infection than men. It can be completely preventable, treatable and curable. On the other side, women unfortunately leak urine when they cough, run, jump and laugh because the pelvic floor gradually weakens up with age, with childbirth, with menopause and with age-related changes in the laxity of the pelvic floor. Is it a time to empower all women with awareness to awakening on the knowledge of issues which is completely missed out in the society? So my contribution as a urologist would be in this Women's Day to bring about an awareness that women continue to suffer very silently in agony, which needs to be completely brought out into an awareness to all women. All women need to know that their recurrent urinary tract infection is preventable and treatable and curable. Their quality of life needs to be getting better at every passing time. Let women not live with incontinence of urine and let them leave incontinence of urine where they have to wear diapers and pass urine here and there, which something can be completely taken forward to the next level if you are aware and if the treatment is offered. So friends, at the Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, where we follow a motto, every life matters, today is time to empower women to improve their quality of life every day while they continue to contribute to society and to their families all through. Happy Women's Day to everybody. Looking forward to empowering women from our small contribution, and everybody's contribution matters. Thank you so much.